in the bottom toolbar on a Mac. Once the application is open, you can go to File, then New, and click Document. And then you should change the page size from letter to A4. This also changes the document preset to custom. Now you have your document ready to work with. The black line on the outside is the actual page line, and the colored line is the margins. So that's helpful when you're planning your document to make sure that everything is aligned. First, we're going to start out by dividing our resume into sections. You go to the left toolbar and click the text symbol, and we're going to put our first section in the top middle to put our name in. Now once you've clicked on this icon, it automatically works. So once you have this one down, you can just keep making others. So we're going to make a second one under this, but make it longer for contact information like our phone, email, and address. And then we're going to go through our main sections of our resume. We're going to make different sections for the titles. So for us, since we're college students, it'll be education first, with a header and then a body section. And then our next section will be work experience, again with the header and body section. And our last section will be skills. You'll also notice that we're using a Times New Roman font. Since this is our resume and it's going to be printed, we wanted to use a serif font so it would look better on pieces of paper.
All right, so we're going to go up to the header and we're going to insert our name. Then below it, this is where you're going to insert your phone, email, address. And then like she hit on, we have 3 headers right here. We're going to start with the education. The reason why we're going to start with education is because as college students, some of us either don't have much work experience or don't have any at all. So if it's something that's a big deal that you did while working, you want to make sure that you note it down here in the work experience. But for right now, we're going to go with education first. Then we're going to do work experience. And down here we will put skills. Now we already have a resume open here in Word, so I'm just going to go ahead and copy some of this and paste it on in here. So the first thing that we have is going to be the education. And you want to go ahead and insert it right underneath the header. Work experience is next. And then for skills, so far this year we've learned about InDesign and Photoshop. We are making this resume in more of a simple form because we found that the graphics were kind of more towards somebody that was going for marketing or something of that sort. So we're trying to keep it to where this can be valuable to any person.
Now you want to go through and bold and italicize. You should bold your name and the different sections and the names of educational institutions and the places you've worked. So we'll go through and do that. No. After you've done that, then you're going to want to go through and italicize position titles and how long you've worked there. So let's find. Then after that's done, you've about finished up your resume, and that's how you finish it up in InDesign.